These are my neighbor's kitties. They come over to my yard every day. And I've got two of my little birds out. And one of the birds is watching the kitties. Watch this.
That's the big worry. The one is that you can pour money into banks that are near debt, but you can't force them to lend it out and to create new credit. It's a little bit like Japan in the 1990s. The banks are on life support, but they're not actually generating any new loans. They're just trying to stay alive. The other big worry is the bond market.
So I guess this came at this soup when it's up.
Of new 10-year treasuries. $2 trillion. The deficit could be as big as that next year. At some point, I think...
Does anybody want a cat?
Chinese are going to say, enough already. And then it could get very ugly in the bond market. Well, ugly enough to drive yields up. And if yields go up, the cost of government borrowing goes up. That means the thing becomes...
This is the bottom. A big cake.
You have to worry about the dollar. That's being propped up.
There are birds.
Central banks have been
Big cake.
They're bumps on the way down. And I think none of your viewers should be in any doubt.
And there are birds
That's why you need to
on top of the cake, watching the birds in the cage.
How long this economic crisis, we won't characterize it as under
We'll go turn the light on.
depression or recession.